morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Man, I am here in Mati, Davao. We're specifically here in Dahican province in Mati, and they're well known for surfing because of these waves out here. I don't know if you guys see it, but anyway, it's gonna be a fun adventure today. I'm gonna show you guys around. It's gonna be a good day, nice, good weather. Anyway, we're about to head there, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I made it here at this place. We're gonna surf. This is gonna be my guy right here, Aldrin. He's my surf instructor, man. If you guys come here in Dahican, make sure you go look for him, and he's gonna get you right. He's gonna get you up on that board and up and ready. Diba? Diba? Anyway, we're about to go to the beach and get a workout going. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ba, saan mong kuan ba, imong tip sa mga beginner ba nga gusto makakatan og surf? Unsa may mga tip nila?
Kahit ano, maturo ko kanila para matuto din sila yung natutunan ko. Lahat bibigay ko. Lahat ng mga kaya matuturo ko. Wala? May Facebook ako. Facebook lang, Aldrin Abarques. Add nyo lang. I-chat nyo na ako. Ito sa Dahican. Taga Dahican ako. Isang certified instructor. Magpunta kayo dito, i-chat nyo na ako. Tara! Man, we just got done surfing with my bro. Aldrin, yo! Hey,
What's up, man? Man.
Galing niya! Galing na!
Galing na daw.
Magpunta din kayo dito para maging katulad kayo. Magaling din.
Oo. Ako na lang i-link ay yung kwan, yung number sa ubos. Dayon, ug manhing mo diri sa Mati sa Dahican.
Yes.
Pangitaon niyo si Bra, pangitaon niyo si Bra, si Aldrin. Aldrin. Oh, ibutan ako yang
Service.
Oh, ibutan ako yang number ug yang Facebook. Oh, dire. Ani na mo dire, bibo jud kayo jud. Bibo linga oh. Itudluan jud kaniyang nga makabalo jud ka. Oh, makabalo.
Makabalo jud sa tanan.
Sige Bra, salamat kay Bra.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Sige, Bra.
Hey guys, so we are here in the beautiful city of Mati. Anyway, I'm here with Gimar o Tracy. Namin diri sa Love Mati nga plaza. Anyway, mauni ang Mati kung ipalupad ang drone, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we just got done. We're about to head out. I don't know if you guys can hear me because the music is a little loud, but look at that sunset right there, man. This is awesome. So far, one of the best sunsets that I've seen. I don't know if you guys can hear me actually because it's like so loud over here. But anyway, we're about to head out. go grab some dinner real quick with the family, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we made it here at this little food place here in Mati, man. This place is awesome. There's a lot of food you can pick and everything. And just a bunch of like street food kind of combinations with like local foods. And yeah, so you're gonna see what we're gonna eat today. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm about to try this. I've never tried this before. It's called takoyaki. But it's supposed to be good, so I don't know. So we'll try it together. Come here. Alright, so to be honest, I mean it's good, but it has some like veggies. So if you like some veggies, I don't know. If you like some veggies, you'll like this one. But if you don't like some veggies, you're not gonna like this one for sure. But it's alright. You kind of get over the taste anyway. Alright guys, so we're about to go eat some really good food here with the fam. So we're gonna go eat some good food. We got some chicken, some soup, some barbecue, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we just got done eating some really good dinner. Man, how was it, Ate? How was it?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Kamu Rama? It was good? It was good. Yeah, so if you guys come here in Mati, you need to come to that place over there and try those chicken. It's really good. And their shakes is really good as well. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's been a long day. I know I didn't vlog the morning, and I mean only part of the morning and like the afternoon, but it's been a good day today, productive and fun, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog or the next video. Peace.